In this video, I'll show you how to upload videos on YouTube. That is the right way. This 2026. So I'm going to show you the best settings you can be able to use to upload videos on your YouTube channel. This video is only for educational purposes only. Please make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Ensure you watch everything step by step. Now at first, what you need to do, just go to your settings. This is the first thing you need to do. Go to your settings and make sure all these settings are currently turned on. So select your currency by default. Click on this channel. Come on here and select your country of residence. Come on here and add your channel keywords. So this is going to help you. So come on to advanced as well. So make sure it's in no, set this not meant for kid. So this is what you need to do. So once you are done, you need to also come on here and disable all of this. So make sure all of these are disabled. So if you check my feature availability, everything is currently ticked good. So I'm going to go to permissions. So this is the channel owner. If you want to invite someone, you can also do it from here. So this is it. So make sure all these are currently set to default. So let it be in standard YouTube license category. Come on here and select your niche. So select a video language. So make sure all of these are currently turned on. So without much talks, I'm going to show you I can be able to do this. Now click on this create here. Click on upload videos. So I have a video I want to use for this. So I'm going to just go to my library now. And I'm going to show you what you need to do. So I'm going to go to my videos. So I'm going to click on, I think this, yeah, captions. So make sure you watch everything from. So I'm going to click on this test. I'm going to click on open. So it's currently loading. It's currently loading. So the first thing you need to do, you need to come on here and add up a title, right? So add up a title. This is the very first thing you need to do. Once you are done, okay, I think this is my channel. So when it comes to the description, these are what you need to add up. At first, you need to explain what the video is for. You need to add hashtags. So you can just use this my channel template and see all of this. So once you're done, you need to add up your watch next videos. So all of this, you need to add up your social media handles. You need to add up that is important affiliate links, right? So add up all of them. So you need to add up your mail maybe for business inquiries. You need to add up your products, that is gears and equipment. So once you're done, you need to come on here, type this. You need to come on here, add this as well. Then you need to add up this as well. Then these are your tags. So once you're done with the description, you need to go back to the video. So this is the video. So this video, I think this video is done uploading now. So this video is for test only. So once you're done with description, you need to come on here and do a thumbnail. So I need to go to my Canva. I think I use Canva for this. So this is example of the type of thumbnails I design. So add up this, add up this, add up this. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty straight to the point. So once you are done, you need to just click on this upload file to add it up. So once you are done, you need to come on here, select a playlist. So if you have a video category you love to add this playlist, come on here and select it as well. Then once you're done, this should be in no, it's not meant for kids. So you need to, so if you have any paid promotion, you can come on here and on it. If you don't have, make sure it's like this. So auto content, make sure all of this is turned off. So make sure you read all this and understand what it really entails. Now, if you have a collaborator you love to collaborate with, you can come on here and invite the person. It's going to show from it. Then automatic chapter. If this video is too long and you love to add up chapters, you can be able to do this as well with these settings. So this is currently for tutorial purposes. So I'm going to just turn it off. Now we need to turn off this. Turn off these future places. Turn off this automatic concepts. So if you have a tag, you need to come on here as well. You need to come on here. You need to ask ChatGPT to provide you with 20 tags you can be able to use, or 15 tags, depending on how you want it. So you can just do it. It's pretty straight to the point. Then once you are done, I think, okay, you need to select your English. This should be turned off. Yeah, so this standing license, this license should be in standard YouTube license. So you should have access to your videos, right? So it's your duty, because it's not easy to make videos. It's not easy. So you should be in this. Now come on here and turn this off. If you love people to get notifications of your video, like if you're producing a lot of videos and you love to post it, you need to turn it off. But if you're producing, let me say, just one video a week or maybe one video a month, you can turn it on. So once you post the video, people are going to get the subscription notification, that is the video notification on your channel. Then this remixing, it should be in don't allow. So it should be in this don't allow. So people shouldn't use your content without your permission, because it's not easy to make content. So come on here to category. My category is how to style, so you can come on here and choose anyone. So mine by default is currently this. So this needs to be turned on. Moderation needs to be basic. Anyone can comment yes. So this should be on as well. So the video element. So if you have subtitles, you can also add it up if you want. So if you want end screen, you can also add it up. If you want to add card, you can also add it up. So the checks entails that your video is safe. So no copyright issues. We'll check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility. So everything is final, okay? So visibility. One thing most people don't know, if you're uploading a video, make sure it's currently in the private. Once it is done with the private, you can come on and edit all the details before you can come on here and set it public and it goes live. You get? So I won't recommend you using this unlisted. I'll just recommend you using the private. If you're uploading video, then once you're done with editing it, add the public. Then scheduling. If you love to select a date to make a video public, you can come on here and select it. Maybe 5 years, 4 years, 10 years, any of them is still fine. Okay. So once you're done with all these things, just click on this save. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me via email. I'm really open to help and assist each of you all the very best way I could. Thank you all for the support. I'll see you in the very next video.